Hi, a very warm welcome. My name is Sven Reinecke, Professor of Marketing at the University of St. Gallen in Switzerland. I'm going to be the responsible lecturer for the course Beyond the Marketing Mix, Strategic Marketing Management. What do most marketeers think about if they think about marketing? They think about the marketing mix, the 4 Ps: product, price, promotion, place. And to be quite honest, I don't know a single marketing professor and I don't know a single marketeer who really loves the 4 Ps. Because this is a cost-oriented, old view on marketing from the 60s of the last century. It is very product-focused and not customer-oriented at all. We want to have a completely different view of marketing in our course. We are going to look on growth potential. We want to achieve profitable growth for companies. And therefore, we are going to analyze 4 core tasks. The first one is customer acquisition. How to acquire non-users or competitors' customers. The second core task is customer retention. How to really retain and penetrate existing customers. The third core task is product innovation. So there we should think about world new products we develop and introduce to the market. But on the other hand, we should not forget about imitations as well. And the fourth growth area is product maintenance. How to maintain the market share of an existing product and how to expand it. And these are the potential growth areas. And then we ask about the competencies. Which competencies do you need in order to be able to tap into that potential? So for example, we look at best practice companies like Salesforce, very good in customer acquisition. How do they do that? Or in product innovation like 3M or Gore, how do they achieve profitable growth? And then we define business models with those 4 core tasks. And we have the perspective of a return on marketing. So we do not only want to see marketing as a cost driver, but really be able to measure it. So we define KPIs. So we will define a marketing dashboard as well with KPIs in order to measure the impact of the marketing budget, in order to prove that to top management. I'm looking forward to seeing you